Are you tired of feeling stuck in the same old financial rut? Tired of seeing the same boring advice that everyone else is giving? Well, buckle up, money mavericks, because You're Worthy is here to shake things up with 10 unconventional money moves that'll transform your financial future. 1. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is about recognizing that your skills, knowledge, and personal development are among your most valuable assets. It involves allocating time, energy, and resources to enhance your professional expertise, personal growth, and overall well-being. This can include pursuing further education, whether through formal courses or self-directed learning, to expand your skill set and stay relevant in your field. It also means investing in activities that nurture your physical and mental health, such as regular exercise, healthy eating habits, and mindfulness practices. Additionally, investing in yourself can involve seeking out mentorship, networking opportunities, and personal development initiatives to broaden your perspectives and strengthen your professional network. Ultimately, by prioritizing self-investment, you're laying the foundation for long-term success, fulfillment, and financial well-being. 2. Embrace minimalism. Embracing minimalism involves intentionally simplifying your life and prioritizing what truly brings value and fulfillment. It's about streamlining expenses, decluttering possessions, and focusing on quality over quantity. By consciously evaluating your spending habits and reducing unnecessary purchases, you can free up resources to invest in experiences and long-term goals. Minimalism encourages mindful consumption, where each purchase is intentional and aligned with your values. It's not just about decluttering physical spaces. It's about decluttering your lifestyle and mindset to make room for what truly matters. By embracing minimalism, you can reduce financial stress, increase savings, and find greater contentment in a simpler way of living. 3. Start a side hustle. Starting a side hustle involves leveraging your skills and passions to generate extra income outside of your main job. It's a powerful way to boost your earnings and fast-track your financial goals. Begin by identifying your strengths and interests, then research potential markets and opportunities. Start small, perhaps by freelancing or selling products online, and gradually scale up as you gain experience. Effective time management is key to balancing your side hustle with your primary job and other commitments. Treat your side hustle like a business, investing time and resources into its growth. Stay flexible and open to new ideas, adapting your approach based on feedback and market trends. A side hustle not only provides extra income, but also offers valuable entrepreneurial experience that can enhance your skills and career prospects. It's a proactive step towards financial independence and long-term success. 4. Invest in high-quality assets. Investing in high-quality assets involves prioritizing long-term value over short-term gains. Diversify your portfolio across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate to spread risk and maximize returns. Focus on assets with strong growth potential and income-generating capabilities, such as blue-chip stocks or rental properties. Quality should always trump quantity. Choose investments based on solid fundamentals and growth prospects rather than sheer volume. Before investing, conduct thorough research and seek advice from financial professionals to make informed decisions. By prioritizing high-quality assets, you're laying the groundwork for long-term wealth accumulation and financial security. It's a strategic approach that aligns with your overarching financial goals and helps you navigate market fluctuations with confidence. 5. Think long-term. Thinking long-term is crucial for financial success. It means setting clear goals and sticking to a disciplined investment strategy despite short-term market fluctuations. By focusing on long-term objectives like retirement savings or education funds, you harness the power of compounding to grow wealth exponentially over time. This approach also helps you weather market volatility and avoid impulsive decisions driven by emotions. Stay disciplined, avoid trying to time the market, and periodically review your financial plan to ensure it aligns with your long-term goals. Ultimately, thinking long-term sets the stage for financial stability, security, and prosperity, providing a solid foundation for a secure future. 6. Automate your finances. Automating your finances is a savvy move for simplifying money management and staying on course with your financial goals. By setting up automatic transfers and bill payments, you ensure consistent savings, avoid late fees, and maintain financial discipline. This approach eliminates the need for manual intervention and reduces the risk of overspending or missing payments. Automatic transfers to savings or investment accounts help prioritize saving without relying solely on willpower. Plus, it provides peace of mind knowing your finances are systematically managed. Automated systems often offer tracking features, allowing you to monitor progress toward your goals effortlessly. To get started, automate transfers for savings and investments, and set up recurring bill payments. Regularly review and adjust your automated systems to ensure they align with your financial objectives. With automated finances, you simplify money management, reduce stress, and make steady progress toward financial success. 7. Invest in experiences. Next, let's discuss the value of investing in experiences. While material possessions may provide temporary satisfaction, it's the experiences we cherish most in life. Whether it's traveling to a new destination, attending a concert, or dining at a Michelin-starred restaurant, investing in memorable experiences can enrich your life in ways that money alone cannot. Research shows that experiences tend to bring more lasting happiness than material goods, making them a worthwhile investment in both your personal fulfillment and overall well-being. 8. Practice delayed gratification. In a world of instant gratification, exercising patience and self-discipline can set you apart on the path to wealth. Instead of succumbing to impulse purchases or immediate indulgence, learn to delay gratification and prioritize long-term goals. Take the famous Stanford marshmallow experiment, for instance. Children who were able to resist the temptation of eating a marshmallow immediately in exchange for a larger reward later demonstrated higher levels of success and self-control later in life, highlighting the power of delayed gratification in achieving lasting success. 9. Invest in relationships. While financial wealth is important, true richness lies in the quality of our connections with others. Cultivate meaningful relationships with family, friends, and mentors, as they can provide invaluable support, guidance, and opportunities along your journey. Just think about the concept of social capital. By nurturing your network and surrounding yourself with supportive individuals, you not only enhance your personal well-being, but also expand your access to resources and opportunities, ultimately accelerating your path to wealth. 10. Challenge the status quo. Last but not least, challenge the status quo. In a world governed by conventional wisdom, daring to think differently can lead to breakthroughs and innovations that revolutionize industries and create wealth. Take entrepreneurs like Steve Jobs and Mark Zuckerberg, for example. By challenging existing norms and envisioning a future beyond what was deemed possible, they transform the way we communicate, connect, and consume information, reaping immense financial rewards in the process. So, don't be afraid to question the status quo, think outside the box, and pave your own path to prosperity. There you have it, 10 unconventional money moves to master wealth and achieve financial freedom. Now it's time to take action. Which of these strategies resonates with you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on mastering wealth. Until next time, stay financially savvy.